What's up, guys? Time for another little unboxing here. Got another RC car. This one's a little different style. Last one was like a little super truck off-road thing. This one's more rock crawler style. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Alright, here we go. So this is the Axial. I'm not exactly how to pronounce it. It's a 124 scale, 4-wheel drive. It's got a whole little cool little articulating stuff in the back, and supposed to be pretty cool little bad boy. So we're gonna check this thing out and give it a shot, do a little off-roading with it. Cardboard to the top here, or tape to the top here, I mean. And this here. Alright, so I'll start before I get that open. So got the back here, shows different features of it. It has a lot of upgrades you can get for it. There's two different colors. There's a green one, I got the red one. Pretty much everything comes in the box. You just gotta charge it up. And there's both of them side by side. So it's actually licensed with KMC, Nitto, what's that? Baja Designs. So should be pretty cool. Oh, that's why it wouldn't open. There's another sticker there. There's one on this side too. Yeah, there we go. So looks like this is strapped in the bottom here. Comes in a cool little scenery there of some off-roading. So let's go and cut that zip tie there. There we go. So it's got super suspension there. It's all 4-link style stuff, front and rear. 4-wheel drive. And it's nice little flexible Lexan body. It's already pre-painted. I gotta see if they do some clear ones so I can customize them. Kind of get them all going the same color. All my stuff I have. And see, it also comes with AA batteries for the controller, some extra goodies, looks like a drive shaft or something in there, and then DeadBolt, ready to run 124 scale, and it's a little wedged in here, so I got a little off camera, and just like last time, pretty much just a pretty small basic charger for it. It's USB, plugs into there, battery plugs into that, and you're good. Probably got a couple blinky lights on it like the other one. And there's the controller. So it looks like it's got some adjustments in here for different settings for doing the trim and whatnot. Batteries go on the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's the car. So suspension's nice. You can drive it up on some stuff, flex it out. Pretty cool. So let me do some little close-up shots of this for you guys, and we'll take the body off, check it out under there, and then I'll be testing it out tomorrow. Check this out, this is pretty cool. The body just flips up. So you're gonna do the front clips here, and then you just flip the body back up, and then you can access everything inside. So I got the battery here. Everything else, gotta hook it up. And you're all good. And looks like it's got some little lights here. So we'll charge that up and check out all the cool little lights and stuff, but it's a nice little package going on here. Alright guys, so yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. So last time I did use a Rockstar for size comparison. So there we go, it's smaller than the can of Rockstar. And sideways it's just slightly bigger than a can of Rockstar. So it's a good small little size car, real portable. We'll see how this thing does.